Good evening, everybody, my students, fellow traders, my subscribers. I greet you all. My name is Samuel Okoye-Ocha, communicating from the land of the rising sun. I want to bring you my usual weekly analysis. Remember, the analysis represents my view on the technical approach of the market. So it's not a recommendation to buy or sell. It's for education and those who are willing to follow my idea. Every trader can gain, every trader can win. If you are following my analysis and try to trade with them, know that when you lose, I also lose. That is, if you entered correctly, as I intend to let you know. Remember, after some analysis, there is always adjustment. When market moves in unexpected or forecasted way, we adjust. This is one of the reasons you need to follow us on our Telegram channel and or join our students class and learn more. Because why? I can forecast that the market is moving from here to there, and at the end of the day, I see that the structure have changed. And if I am trying to buy, I will withhold my plan. But if you don't know what I know, you may go ahead and buy, and you say that you lost the idea I given to you. No, I am more interested in teaching you to know what I know, so that you can see the market in the right perspective, the way I do. Okay, this is one of the reasons I never believed in giving signals. So that's this. So now I start as usual with DXY. DXY has gotten to our reversal zone, and you can see the red candle. Now, will it still go up? It's possible, but from what I'm seeing now, DXY is going down. Maybe from now to next 2 weeks or more, it might be going down. So let's see 4 hours. So DXY has confirmed my bearish zone. So henceforth, I will be bearish on DXY for now. The only thing will make me change my mind is if I see a fast candle to the upside, like this type of candle happen to the upside, then I will change my mind and stay out for the meanwhile. But for now, both harmonic pattern, the cipher pattern has confirmed, has made a complete structure, and this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is the final C leg from daily candle, has also completed. So I have already no reason to doubt the bearish of DXY. So even if you see something like this happening, maybe a kind of, then the bear continues. If it drops from here, fine. What I try to do is that even if you enter sell from here and you see it's going up, don't be afraid. Unless the candle is so sharp like this, then that will be a problem. Meanwhile, entering the trade now, the stop loss will be here. So it's not the risk is not much. So this is one of the shortest trades I have this week. Okay, let's go to Euro USD. In Euro USD, most of the time, net result of the time, or even more, whenever DXY is buying, Euro USD is selling. Whenever DXY is selling, Euro USD is buying. Now, I'm a little worried about Euro USD. It went so deep. Nevertheless, it's not out of structure. So let me even check daily candle. So on daily charts, we have WXY, which is the double zigzag, and it has gotten to a reversal zone. One thing remains is that in some cases, we might see, let me show you what I mean. Sometimes we might see DSY, like now that DSY is selling or is about to sell. It might be dropping gradually like this. Sorry, excuse me. It might be making a kind of corrective move gradually, and USD might be dropping heavily, maybe to come to this level. Okay, so the possibility is that USD can still move deeper into the blue box, or even come to the this yellow area. Here is the extreme target for the daily candle. So meanwhile, I don't expect all this, because why? I'm just showing you possibilities, so that if they happen, you would be surprised. So this drop, you can see this channel, the lower part of it have been touched and not pierced. Okay, so already I have entered long on Euro USD, but it seems to be still still risky. Okay, now let me go to the lower time frame to tell you where we have validation entry. You know, every trade have its validation entry. So let me go down to 4 hours. So here is our validation entry. Anyway, on 1 hour, let me show you. Based on 1 hour, here is our validation entry. So once the price goes above here, it is valid to enter to enter on 1 hour. Then on 4 hours, here remains our validation entry on 4 hours. Here is our validation entry on 4 hours. The reason is that we can buy it from here, then it comes here and still turn back. But what I'm saying, if the market cross this here and go to this level, then the bullish move have been confirmed, because if it comes here and turns back, we will not see another low except this. Okay, let's continue. Euro JPY. Euro JPY. Let me show you 4 hours or daily. The daily chart has given us an ABC. So I am not looking for a further drop, at least on daily candle. So maybe we might likely get a triangle, though I don't want to forecast that for now. It seems to be still be too early to be looking for triangle, but it's possible. Triangle might be forming. Okay, so let's go to 4 hours to see something more, to get more data. So on 4 hours, I'm looking for buy. So, but one thing is sure, the market gets to our reversal zone. Went past it, we have 2 possibilities: to reverse here and to reverse here. So the reversal might have occurred, or we might see it's come to here to reverse. So let's see 1 hour. So the message there is that here might be the reversal area, which means it happened here. Secondly, you might still see it drop to this level. So if you are buying Euro JPY, here will be your aim validation. Here will be your stop loss. Okay. So if it drops to this level, I will buy. If it doesn't drop to this level, when it goes above this level, I will buy. So no selling for me. Then I think I also have a harmonic pattern on that. Let me go to my harmonic zone. No JPY. Okay. Okay, there's no harmonic. Okay, let me check. Okay, there's no harmonic pattern on that. Let me continue. GBP, the way it is moving, I don't understand. Nevertheless, it's not a pair to rely on. So let me ignore it for now. But the only thing is that it made a 3 waves move. So here remains my invalidation, this low. So, but for now, you may focus on other page. But if you are trading it, you can only look for buy. So no reason to sell from here after this ABC. Okay, this is a deep move. ABC, very deep. So I think the buying continues here. Okay. Okay. Of course, it is also in a reversal zone. So it is as well on a reversal zone. Okay. And as a matter of fact, trading it will make a lot of sense because the stop loss is tight. If you enter the buy now, here will be your stop loss, and it is very tight. So it's a kind of a lucky trading. If it favors you, you might see this type of move again. So this pair is somehow it behaves somehow anyway. So, but buying it can make sense because it is in a reversal zone and the price have not moved much. So you may enter the buy now, stop loss either here or here. Okay, but I don't trade it often because of the way it behaves. AUD. AUD, for a long time, I've shown you this very chart that, in my opinion, this ABC forming is in consonance with a harmonic pattern. So, which is though too late to be called harmonic because it helped to complete this and move away from here before we say that the harmonic is working. But because we have an ABC in mind, we still see it to correspond with the certain harmonic pattern. I showed it when it was here. It is going up. I didn't close it because I know that ABC is bound to happen. So my stop is here. Right now, I can move the stop to this place. Okay. So here is my target. New Zealand. New Zealand. I'm looking for buy on New Zealand. Okay. So the pattern is easier to give me an entry. So I'm not looking for sell on it. I'm looking for buy, and the buy I will buy with little lot size because some euro pairs are going down. Why this is going up? You have to be careful. Okay. So let me see 1 hour. Okay, I'm looking for ABC to complete. Then I will enter buy. Here will be the invalidation. Let me check if I have anything on anything on the harmonic side. Okay, none for now. UHF. UHF, I'm also looking for further drop before I buy. You can see my two reversal patterns seem to coincide in one area. Okay, so this drop, I expect it to either reverse within this gray area or within this blue area. So on the extreme, here is the extreme. If it goes below this red zone, then I'm afraid the pattern has changed. But for now, it is still on the reversal zone. I expect it to hit the reversal zone. Okay, so as I was saying, here is where I'm expecting it to reverse, either here or here. So let's move. Euro card. Euro card is already in my reversal zone. It's already in the reversal zone. So here is the buying confirmation. Okay. So when you check all these trades, you know the one to pick and the one to drop. USD card. USD card. Let me check daily first. USD card currently, I don't like the way it is moving on daily charts. Okay, but one thing is sure, it is not. I no longer think about selling it, though in a lower time frame it might still drop, but now it might be also forming a triangle. As I said earlier on the other pair, it is still far. Okay, we can see A, B, C, D, E. Okay, so possibly if this triangle is valid, you might see the price begin to go up from here, because it will be a big A, B, C for now. A, B, C, D, sorry, A, B, C, D, E. So the E, the triangle might have completed. So forward time frame might give us a better view of what we are trying to get. Though I haven't have the triangle in mind, but it seems it's what's happening. And if this reversal zone, if it reverses in this reversal zone, then it means that the triangle is valid, and also a harmonic pattern is also coincided within the reversal zone of the Elliott wave pattern. So what we do, if you want to trade it, I don't encourage buy now. Sorry, I don't encourage sell now. I only encourage buy. So I have to wait to know if I will buy it or not. Remember, last week I think I published this pattern. It's completed here, and the price gave us a 3 waves move up. So if I followed it, maybe you made some pips. Then after this pattern completes, let me change the column so to make it different. So after this plan completed, the bigger one is still going down. So I believe this big one will coincide with 3 waves pattern, which will terminate here, and also it confirms the triangle I'm talking about on daily candle. So if the buy starts, I think it will be a very nice buying. It will be a very nice one because both patterns have confirmed the trade to the upside. So take care of your trade. USD JPY. For the past 2 weeks, or let me say throughout last week, and for 2 weeks now, USD JPY was going up to complete a pattern I showed you. I showed you the pattern it is making. Okay, it is yet to complete because in that my forecast, here is my target. 113 is target. But as I always tell you, market doesn't move in a straight line. So it's always correct. Impulse and correction. So now we are getting correction. I assume that wave A is over. I assume wave A is over. Okay, then we get to B and C. After that, the buying continues. So, and I think I also have something harmonic pattern on it. Let me check the harmonic area. Not showing it again. What's happened to my charts? They are not showing. What's happened? I don't know. What's happening to my charts? Harmonics. They are not showing. Why aren't they showing? Okay, I know I have some patterns on harmonic, but they refuse to show. So USD, if it has turned over, then we are going to get this as a pattern, 1.18 and above. So I don't know what they didn't show before. Not showing. I also have pattern on this, but it doesn't matter. It's now going to make some move down before going up. So let's continue our analysis. You know, USDF is the next. USDF. USDF. Okay. USDF is selling. I don't have anything. This up move completed here. If the buying will still happen, of course, it will still happen because on daily candle we still have room for the upside. So now we are going to get an ABC or ABC, WXY or WXYXZ. So here is our minimum target. We might come to this level and move down again. But for now, focus on getting to 0.92 area on your selling. If you haven't entered the sell, I think it's still in a good position to enter a sell. Okay, so the market dropped and making a reversal, which is an opportunity to enter sell again. So that's all I can tell you about for USDF for now. The next is Zealand USD. Zealand USD. Let me see daily. Zealand USD, to me, on daily time frame, this double zigzag has completed. Okay, so I'm not looking for further move down on Zealand USD. So let me check 4 hours also. 4 hours. In 4 hours, you can see we have 2 confirmations. One, a pattern is forming on harmonics. 2, it turns at our reversal zone. You can see it on the blue box. It turned and is going away from it. Then our ABC pattern is also turned there. So 3 confirmations. I think the risk is not much anymore. Every trade is risky, but this one, I think the risk is not more. So entering a buy, this is what I'm going to do. Of course, it is in a nice zone to buy. So I might just enter a buy. Even if I enter a buy now, you might get a little pullback before it begins to move. So that's the reason to sell on this, but every reason to buy. And if I buy, here is the minimum target. Okay, so that's all I can tell you on user USD now. USD card, AUD card. AUD card. I don't have much to say on it, but it has completed a pattern. You know, this type of pattern might have might still drop to make another bigger pattern out of this. So I suggest if you want to buy this, use little lot size in case if it goes against you, you won't regret much. Okay, AUD USD. AUD USD. Let me check, see the daily. It has made a nice correction. You can see after this move up, after these 5 waves, when you see WXY, okay, which is a very big corrective pattern. So for me, I don't think we are still going lower than this. Though it can still happen, the market can do anything at any time. Let me remove this because it has served its purpose. So let's go lower to 4 hours. So on 4 hours, you can see we have this ABC pattern completed within the line of our blue box. Though to me it completed here. Okay, so now instead of going higher, it dropped again. Remember, I told you here is the buying confirmation last week, so it didn't cross it. It made another 3 waves drop. After the 3 waves drop again, it is going up. So I can now say this is WSYZ. That's the best thing to label now. So let me adjust. This is why I told you the market will always make room for adjustment. You don't just buy or sell because you see my chart. No, when market do something we don't expect, we adjust. Okay, so and I think the market is moving up fast. So this time around, we're gonna break this high and enter our buy. So but for now, is the best thing is to, and of course, let me adjust. Here becomes the buy confirmation. But you can see market went over above it, but doesn't close above it. So maybe in 1 hour, let me go to 1 hour. In 1 hour, we might still see some move like this, which I would like to I would like to see this type of move. Then I will just buy from here. Stop loss remains here. Okay. It doesn't mean we cannot go lower, but if it goes lower, my loss will be little, and I will not regret it. Why would I regret it? Because I have confirmed my patterns. The market you can make a nice analysis, and the market still go against you. It can happen. Okay, so let me move this. Here is our new buy level, which the market have confirmed and now making a kind of correction. So take note, the buy have been confirmed. Okay, where am I? USD, USD, AUD. Okay, now let's talk about gold. Gold have confirmed we are now in a buying zone on gold. Gold and silver is buying. So I don't want to make much talk on that. Gold is equal to making any diagonal. So gold made an any diagonal and just had broken. You can see this. So now, what remains? Where will be the best entry on gold? Okay, is the gold trying to make 5 waves? I mean, is gold trying to do this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, there are things I want to let you know. Gold might have completed the 5 waves. Then we might get A, B, C from here. Then the buy will continue. Then gold might make wave 5 here, and if it happens, the correction will be deeper towards this level. Okay, so let's just try to enter at the right moment. Okay, silver and gold is doing the same thing. I will be ending this video here. We have part 2, so you can see the silver. It will likely do like gold. The silver is clearer than gold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and between A, B, C. Then the buy will continue. So the video will end here. We have part 2. Then cryptos, but cryptos might come together. Thank you for watching.